Hi, and welcome to Triple C Trailer Sales in Waterville, Michigan. We have a new 4-star 2+2 to show you. Here in the dressing room, it's standard 4 feet. The roof is fully insulated in the dressing room and the horse area. Carpet on the drop and rubber on the floor. There are 4 saddle racks on a removable post and a fold-up step at the door. The horse area, the roof is also fully insulated along with 4 roof vents and 4 fans. And then we're going to show you the versatility of this trailer and how it's set up. You can do 4 horses, the head-to-head style. You can do 2 11-foot box stall sections. Everything in here is removable. Everything is quiet ride, and you can also do a 2+1 setup if you want. This is a telescoping divider, can move out of the way, so there's a lot of versatility. You can also remove this. You could do a golf cart since it's an 11-foot box section. We have the heavy duty bars. The stud doors here are the quiet ride stud doors, so they're gonna swing back and forth, completely swing back and forth both ways. Total of 4 drop-down doors with drop-down bars. And then we have the quiet ride rolling divider, and then underneath we have a fully rubber-lined removable lower divider here. All right, so a few clicks. This divider's out of the way. Okay, both ramps, rear ramp and side ramp, are the easy lift. Heavy duty bars back here as well as the one in the front. This trailer has a hydraulic jack and it is priced at $69,900. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 269-463-6121. Thank you.